The front brake light stop switch is not working. That's why it's not turning off. So we have to change this bad boy. Hey, welcome back to my channel Bike Profile, and this is your host Midun, and I'm back with another do-it-yourself video. So today we have my friend's FC here. So it's got a front brake light stop switch problem. So we are going to change that. See, I'm pressing the lever. It's not turning off. See, so let's start our video. So we bought a new brake light switch from Yamaha. It's a original Yamaha OEM part, and it will cost you 80 rupees. And this is how it looks. And we're gonna change this old one and replace it with the new one. So let's start this video, guys. Let's start by removing the old switch. Just unplug the switch wire and use a 10 mm open end spanner to remove the switch. It's very simple. You guys can do it all by yourself. This is the old one, and you guys saw that it's not working. So let's keep it aside. So this is the new OEM one, and it will cost you around 80 rupees. And this is how it looks. It comes with all the wiring harness also. So if you have a good wiring harness, then you don't need to change that. You just need to replace the switch. We are gonna change the old wire also. So if you come down here, you can see that there is a clip here which holds the old wire. Just undo that, and it's pretty simple. Just remove it. And this is the old one. See, so we are putting back the new wire. This is how we should route it. So now we are routing this wire through the headlights, and it goes. See, now just unplug the terminal wires and screw it in the lever. And after that, we just need to tighten it with the spanner. Sorry for the light, guys. The daylight is gone. So after that, you just need to connect the wire back. Then plug the switch clip back. It's pretty simple, guys. So that's it. We are done with the front stop light switch replacement, and now let's go ahead and check whether that it's working or not. See, it's working. So that's it with my with this video. And if you find this informative, please do like and share this video, and do comment your feedback in the comment section. So see you guys in some other video. Peace and ciao. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.